Alright guys, so if you guys want to see how I slay, then keep watching. So what's up guys, let's start off by using this gorgeous palette right here. Look how stunning this shit is. So let's start off with a Morphe M514. It's a really detailing brush, especially if you guys have hooded eyelids. This is going to be amazing guys. So let's start off with burnt orange right here. We're going to be putting that into our crease. As you guys can see, it's like super pigmented. And we're going to be putting that into the crease, going windshield wiper motions. So you really want to go back and forth, back and forth. And I know it's going to look a little messy at first, but trust me, it's going to look so beautiful at the end. And the reason why I just go really back and forth is because I'm going to get that desired pigment and the color payoff that I really want. And as you guys can see, look at the amount of fallout I have on the palette. So as soon as I go into the eyeshadow, there, you see that? Yeah, there's eyeshadow fallout, but I will say it's not like the other palette. So just like that. And I do want to go in that inner corner just a little bit, just because I do want to make this look a little bit dramatic. So as you guys can see, I'm going to grab this clean brush. This one is the M513. This is a really tapered and fluffy brush. It's going to give me that precise blend that I really want. That's why I like it. So I'm just going to go around the edges and just blend that color out. As you guys can see, it's starting to diffuse and start looking more prettier. Just like that. So then now we're going to go back into that burnt orange color and pick up a very tiny bit of it and feather it on the top and blend upwards. Just like that. Anyway, so I'm holding it at the very end of the brush, so that way I get really like that airbrush look. I do not want it to be super harsh. So the closer that you hold it to the front of the brush, the more intense it's gonna look. So that's why I do want it to go. For this, I really want it to be diffused, so I'm gonna grab it at the end of the brush and really just feather it, just like that. So just like this, guys, I think it looks really pretty, just like that. And then we're gonna start deepening it with the color Sienna, which is right here. It's going to be that shade right there. I love a color like Sienna. And don't be afraid to go really in on these colors, guys. You guys can always blend them out. And then so after we blend that, now same step, we're gonna go in and start blending with this semi-clean brush and just meshing everything together, really just focusing the blend on the top of the eye. Oh you guys, that just looks so good. And I'm really like trying to use my lids because guys, I don't have any lids, so I'm really trying to go all the way up there. That way I could show off some work, you know? Alright, now after we deepen this much up, we're going to go in and deepen it in even a little bit more. We're going to be taking this color right here. This is like that darkest plum color in here. It's called Mulberry. It's a really dark color, but it's so pretty. What, baby?
Makeup.
It's makeup, baby. Yeah, makeup.
Makeup.
No touch, baby, okay?
Okay.
So you guys, same thing, going back and forth, windshield wiper motions, just like that. And then after we do windshield wiper motions, this is now when we can use this brush. We're gonna go in with that mulberry shade right there, a little bit, and we're gonna just start blending it upwards. So just like this, guys, and look how gorgeous this shit is right here. Like, this eyeshadow is fire. We're gonna be using my face powder. It's like, I use this one for brightening, and this one is the LA Girl powder. I just want to see how that works on top. I don't know, I'm really into this one right here. It's that reddish kind of tone. Alright guys, so let's go right in, and we're going to be taking this shade right here, which is called Sultry. So now let's go in and jump in with some wing liner. I'm going to be taking the NYX liner in the matte, and we are going to draw a wing. Alright guys, so now a trick to clean up your liner. You grab your concealer and you drag it upwards. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to be curling my lashes, and I'm going to be popping on some Lilly Lashes in the style So Extra Miami. Alright guys, so this is with the lashes on, and then a trick to get your lashes to really stick is one of these little lash curler things. So what I'm doing is I'm just really pushing those fake eyelashes with my real ones. Alright guys, so I am back. Now let's start with this shit. Let's get it started. I'm gonna go in with my Nars, and so we're gonna be using that, and I'm in the shade Tahoe. So let's just distribute all of this onto the face. I'm just dotting it in all of the areas that I would like. You guys already know this is like my favorite foundation at the moment, like I just said. And it's like super full coverage, you know, surprisingly. You guys know what I just love about this, you know, like finish. And I don't want it to look really nasty. So now let's take our Tarte Shape Tape Concealer right here. And I am in the shade Medium, just like that. I go across and down the bridge of the nose, a little bit on that Cupid's bow, and then right here on the chin. Yeah, there. So just like that on the forehead, and then what I do is I go ahead and get that foundation brush and I go over those harsh areas just to blend it a lot more, because there's a little bit of leftover foundation, and so all of these lines need to disappear, and so that's what I'm doing. And you guys just see how like flawless the face looks. So now we're going to be taking that cream contour kit from Anastasia, and I'm going to be using this shade right here, and that's why I haven't set, you know, like any other areas. I only use those areas, only set under my eye, and I'm going to go right here, and I'm curious to see how good this works. Mine has been dried out for a little while, so we shall see. And then after that, I'm going to be taking this brush. This is a really small dual fiber brush from Morphe, and this one is the M404. And so I'm just going to start using this to blend out that contour. Actually looks really nice, honestly. I really was scared for a second, like no lie. So that's really pretty. I actually started my contour and really made it look so effortless. Maybe like that, and blend that out because I want it to look like this side. I'm really blending it up. There we go, guys, just like that. That's good enough. Alright guys, so let's go in with this palette. This is the Jeffree Star 24 Karat Gold palette. It looks like this. It's so pretty. I really want to use King Tut as the highlighter today, and I just want to see what's up with this highlighter and see how it works. It's pretty though. I mean, hey, it's really nice though. So this is the first time I'm using King Tut from Jeffree Star. I have his Siberian Gold one, and that one's like a really gold, you know, obviously because of the name, but just I really like how, you know, like, okay, I know I went a little ham, but you guys, I never like go. But you guys, let's go in with all those 3 shades that I used earlier. I'm going to be taking Burnt Orange, Sienna, and then the Malvern. And I really just want to smoke my lower lashes out. So let's go in with the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in Designer Blood. It's a really dark one. Alright guys, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this full glam, you know, look. I haven't done a look like this in like ever. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, you better hit that notification bell and that subscribe button